Hi, how are you doing? This is Trisha as well. Have you ever seen this big wave right over there? Oh, there it comes. That whoa, it's really scary, right? And it's really realistic, right? And you can see there are two render engines, a cycles and a EV. And so both of them are in night time. And also you can see in the cycles there's some shadow like of the light. The light is reflecting in the water, and in the EV that's not happening. And anyways, do you know who created this wonderful one? It's me! I myself created this 3D animation using 3D technologies, and I love creating these. You know, I create many interesting things using computer technology such as ARs, video games, mobile apps, 2D graphics, 3D animations, and so on and so forth. If you want to learn how to create your own, then like this video, subscribe to our channel, and also subscribe to my classes. Thank you and bye bye.